name's Jill Burbridge and I'm the principal of Leyton Sixth Form College. Tonight I'm here with over 100 members of staff and students for our first accountability assembly since joining Citizens UK. We're here tonight to bring local politicians to account. Our students will be talking to them directly about how their lives have been affected by the amount of youth violence that they witness on the streets of this borough.
My name is Saeed and I'm a student at Leyton Sixth Form College. I was affected by the death of my friend Corey Jr. Davis. He was only 14 and he was fatally shot in the head. I no longer felt that young people were safe and I wanted to take an active role in changing that.
Today is an accountability assembly. We are trying to get the councillors from Conservatives and Labour to agree to our ask. These are asks that come as a result of months of research. I would like our councillors to give us a straight answer for once and to commit to change, because everybody in this hall has had enough, everyone in the borough has had enough, whether it's youth, crime or housing. We want change.